Hello, my fellow VR enthusiasts. I'm currently in Dubai, and the city itself is great, very futuristic. But I also managed to get a hold of this thing here, HTC Vive Focus 3. So I'm obviously curious to test it out. I'll do an unboxing video first, and then I'll give you my first impressions. So let's get to it. Okay, so this is how HTC Focus 3 looks like. This is how it's packaged. And now I'll give you my first impressions after using it for a couple of hours. Okay, so what happened is I'm going to put my impressions in a separate video because, well, a couple of hours turned into a couple of days and then even some more. So it just makes sense to make a separate video. So stay tuned and see you later.